Why does your scanner show the P2755 engine code? What does it mean? P2755 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid cooler control circuit high. The P2755 engine code for indicate the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a voltage reading or a control signal from the transmission fluid cooler valve that is abnormally high or exceeds. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission control valve or solenoid, short circuit or high resistance, coolant migration, fluid contamination, poor electrical ground, faulty PCM or transmission control module, TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Suburban, Toyota, and Tundra. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.